Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely still very bullish. It's hard not to be because the monthly's an uptrend, weekly's uptrend, daily's uptrend. Maybe this will end up making a lower high, making a run for this big gap down here, but it's hard to speculate that because you're in an uptrend on all the major high time frames. When you're in an uptrend on all the major high time frames and you start thinking it's going to go counter trend, oftentimes what happens is it just keeps on trending and you end up losing trying to go short. So definitely still recommending longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down over here because these Fibonacci levels are likely going to be areas of resistance along the way. If it does bounce from a Fibonacci level and then break structure to the downside, then I'll be more than happy to start recommending shorts and looking for shorts. But right now, all of our higher time frames are telling us to go long at the end of every pullback we see until the higher time frames tell us otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.